Before we take off, please take note of this safety demonstration.
Please fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal fitting into the buckle. To release the seatbelt, simply lift the buckle. In the event of a change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the overhead compartments. Firmly pull it towards you, place it securely over your nose and mouth, and tighten the elastic band. A life vest is located under your seat. Slip it over your head and secure the straps around your waist. Inflate it by pulling the red tab and only inflate after exiting the aircraft. In the case of a water landing, additional flotation is available via the inflatable raft. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits in the cabin. The crew are pointing out now. There are 6 within this aircraft. Finally, please read the safety card in the back pocket of your seat. It includes important information about brace positions and what to do in an emergency. Thank you and have a pleasant flight.